In this video, I will show you how to enable IPv6 on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do is open up your control panel. So from your desktop, you want to come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type control panel and then open up control panel underneath best match. Once you've got your control panel opened, the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to view by and click onto this and make sure it's selected to category. And then what you want to do is click onto network and internet just over here. Next, what you want to do is click onto the network and sharing center. So that's this option at the top here. And on here, you should see your connection show up, whether that's a Wi-Fi connection or Ethernet. What you want to do from here is actually click onto your connection, and that's going to load up a window like this. Now from here, what you want to do is come down and click onto properties. So not wireless properties, but the actual properties button down at the bottom. What that's going to do is open up the properties window, and on here you just want to find Internet Protocol version 6. You can see it's just here, IPv6, and to enable this, all you need to do is simply tick the box next to IPv6. Of course, if you wanted to disable it, you can always untick the box, but to enable it, just tick the box and then click onto OK. So that is how to enable IPv6 on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.